Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you this look which I've created using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette named Rose in the Air. It is a good pigmented eyeshadow palette and is quite affordable too. I have created this easy eye makeup look paired with nude lips. So if you are interested in knowing how I achieve this look, then please continue watching. To start off, I have used this primer from Wet n Wild, and this is a very dewy primer and gives a very dewy look to the skin. I have applied the primer all over my face for a dewy finish. Next, I have taken the highlighter from NYX and I'm going to apply this highlighter on the places where I want my face to look glowy from within, and it will give that healthy subtle glow to the skin when I apply the foundation later on. I'm going to apply that directly onto my skin. Next, I've used the LA Girl orange corrector and I'm going to color correct around my mouth area where there's a bit of pigmentation. I'm going to hide the darkness around my eye areas also, and I'm going to blend it using a brush. Next, I've taken this Maybelline Fit Me foundation mixed with Illuminator by Revlon, and I've applied that onto my entire face and neck area using this PAC foundation brush, and I'm going to blend it properly into my skin. Next, I've used the concealer from NYX, which is my current favorite concealer, and I'm going to apply it onto the areas where I want to highlight my face. I'm going to again blend it using my brush. Then I've used the PAC Translucent Powder and I'm going to set my concealer in place using this powder. This will ensure that my concealer does not crease. Next, I've taken the brown shade from the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette and I'm going to contour my entire face using this brown contour shade. This is a very good contouring powder. I'm going to chisel out the contour using the translucent powder which I have used earlier. I'll be filling up my brows using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Kit, and this is a fairly good eyebrow kit and it fills the gaps pretty well. Next, I've taken this spoolie which comes in the kit and I'm going to brush my eyebrows a little bit. The eyeshadow palette which I'm going to use today is Wet n Wild eyeshadow. But before applying the eyeshadow, I am going to apply loose powder so that if there is some fallout, the loose powder catches it. I'll be taking that transition shade from the palette and I'm going to apply that onto my crease line and I'm going to blend it very well. Next, I've taken that orange colored eyeshadow and I'll be intensifying crease line using this orange eyeshadow. Next, I've taken that pink colored eyeshadow and I'm going to apply that eyeshadow onto the outer V of my eyes so that my eyes look well defined, and I'm also going to blend it with the orange colored eyeshadow. Next, I've taken that peach colored slightly shimmery eyeshadow and I'm going to apply that onto the inner half of my eyelid area. I'm going to blend that with the other eyeshadows very well so that all the colors look well blended together. Next, I'm dusting off the excess translucent powder from my face. I've taken the eyeliner from L'Oreal Paris and I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner today. This is a very good eyeliner as it's very easy to draw slightly thick or thin eyeliner as per your desire, and it gives that easy application onto the upper lash line. Next, I have taken the L'Oreal Paris False Lash Superstar Mascara, and first I'm going to coat my eyelashes using the primer portion of the mascara tube, and later I'll be coating my eyelashes using the black mascara. This gives a very voluminous look to the eyelashes and makes your eyelashes look fuller. Next, I'll be taking that orange colored eyeshadow and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line, and I'm going to blend it again using the pencil brush. I'll be intensifying my crease line again with that orange colored eyeshadow. I've also applied a little bit more of that peach colored eyeshadow onto the inner half. Next, I've taken this lip cream from Palladio. The shade is Raw Silk, and I'm going to apply that onto the entire lip area. This is a very beautiful nude shade and it complements the eyeshadow look that I have created today. Next, I'll move on to this beautiful blush from Faces Canada, and I'm going to apply that blush onto the apples of my cheeks, and I'm going to blend it using a bigger blending brush. This brush is from PAC. To complete the eye look, I'm going to apply that same mascara onto my lower lashes. I've taken the bronzer from L'Oreal Paris and I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit using this bronzer. For highlighter, I've used this highlighter from Maybelline. It is highly pigmented and it blends easily onto the skin. It's a very good highlighter and is quite affordable too. You can layer it up and build it up. You can actually control the amount of highlight that you want with it. It can easily be layered up, and this is a very beautiful golden highlighter. I'm also going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes using this highlighter. And that is the finished makeup look that I have come up with. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this eyeshadow tutorial which I created. I think if you want to go ahead, you can always use a bold colored lipstick. I love nude lipsticks, so I have paired it up with nude lipstick. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, have fun.